Cash book balance. The following bank reconciliation statement has been prepared by a trainee accountant. Bank reconciliation 30 September 2023. Balance per bank statement. Overdrawn $9,210. Add lodgements credited after date $12,810 for a total of $22,020. Less unpresented checks $10,905. Balance per cash book. Credit $11,115. Assuming the amounts stated for items other than the cash book balance are correct, what should the cash book balance be? Answer: bank statement minus $9,210. Deposits credited after date $12,810. Unpresented checks minus $10,905. Balance per cash book O over D minus $7,305.